Hello everybody, this is Christine from REV Robotics, here to announce what's next from REV Robotics Education Team. Intro to Robotics V2, a completely redesigned version of our free curriculum that is available right now. REV Robotics is committed to promoting accessible robotics education globally, and while we've reached over 50 countries, our work is far from over. We understand robotics doesn't have to just be a competition. Introducing it to the everyday classroom allows more students to participate, all while growing interest in STEM and promoting technology literacy. Robotics is the perfect platform to provide students hands-on opportunities to see the cause and effect of what they're learning as they're learning it. It may look all fun and games, but robotics has been shown to improve crucial skills such as critical thinking and communication along with technical skills. But we won't lie, robots are just pretty cool too. Our Intro to Robotics V2 curriculum offers a wealth of resources for any educator looking to get started. With 39 lessons across 6 units, there's over 50 hours of content available. Lessons range from small activities, such as exploring gears and testing servos, to building fully autonomous robots that navigate using various sensors. Real-world-themed scenarios are provided for each unit activity, answering the question of where would we actually see this students often have. Every step of the way, you'll find supporting guides and walkthroughs available, streamlining the process of implementing your new robotics curriculum. We want teachers to feel supported no matter their experience level. Interested in learning more about REV Robotics education offerings? Visit revrobotics.com/curriculum for more information and to fill out our form to download the Intro to Robotics V2 curriculum completely free.